Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ansa Ilyas. My roll number is 011. I'm from MSCS first semester, University of Sialkot. In this presentation, I have done heuristic evaluation of USA website, and I have done some changings in the website for the better understanding of the interface. This is the content, and my website is evaluated by the Saida, that is my group fellow, roll number 34. So let's start the heuristic evaluation first of the website. So this is the home page of University of South Asia. You can see the menu over here: student career guides, life at USA, study program, admissions, alumni, university portal, e-library, work with USA, and why join USA. The details are given here. So we are going to discuss some good points and bad points of this website. So let's have a look. Here we have some good points of this website. The logo is eye-catching. The colors are in good combination. A display pop-up notification on the website. All the content is updated. The website don't have ads or irrelevant material. On the website, the location on the map is already given. Navigation bar is quite informative. Now I will discuss some bad points of this website. Irrelevant use of logo at many places. On many pages, the logo is pasted. Use of images is not appropriate in some pages. The theme and contrast is weird. The colors are not in a proper synchronization. The content in the video form is not precise. Too many videos on the home page are embedded and on other page as well. The font size is not appropriate. Extra large size of text is used. Appearance in Android mobile is not fitable. Some icons, buttons are useless. There is no search bar on the website. There is no login or sign up option on the website for a user who is not in the part of the university. This is an example of the e-library page of that website. Look at this picture. This picture is extra zoom out. It's not fit in that area. It's not according to that area. The width of the picture is not suitable in this page. And look at this picture. In this picture, this is an icon that is drop down, but this is useless. So that is a bad point of the website. Let's have a look of another example. Look at the color combination. This is a picture of the home page. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Three different colors, and there are a number of colors being used in one page. Multicolors are used. That is not giving a pleasant look to the website. So it's also a bad point of this website. Now let's evaluate the website on the 4 basic components. Starting from the first one, that is navigation. Here we have navigation. This is a picture of the menu. You can see the information is quietly arranged, clearly and easy to understand. External links to the other site works as well. Navigation within the site easy and clear. Site contains unbroken links. Some links give suggestions how to repair, but some links are not workable if they are broken. Here I have shared a picture to explain that the site contains unbroken links, and here some external links to the other sites are also working if you go to apply for a. This is the second part of evaluating a website. Objectives. The purpose clearly stated for intended audience. Course detail and fee structure is given. Fee structure given in the form of pictures that are hardly readable. When you open the options for some programs, their fee structure is not easily readable. Search bar is missing on the home page. As I have shared the picture of the home page earlier, all faculty information is given
online admission portal is given, application form is not downloadable. If you want to download the form, you cannot download because there is no option. This is the third one, coverage. The information provided on the site is accurate and factual. The information is relevant to the user. There is no irrelevant information provided by the website. It covers all the areas related to a student or a researcher or a teacher. If someone wants to get any kind of information, it easily available to that person. Now this one is the fourth basic component to evaluate any website, the writing style of that website. This website contains easy wording, the user can easily interact with it. Writing style is appropriate, but the font size is not appropriate. Text of different colors is being used, that is not giving a decent look to the website. No smidge of text on the website, mostly text is bold. You can see I have put some arrows on that color of the text, and even the text is almost bold. That is not giving us the information which is important, which is not important, which we can skip or which cannot be skipped to read. So this is the main problem in this website. Now I'm going to do the heuristic evaluation of this website that contains 10 basic steps. So let's start the first step of heuristic evaluation. This is the first step of heuristic evaluation, visibility of the system status. The website keeps user informed through appropriate feedback, like website gives you pop-up if you forget to fill the admission form. I have shown a picture here. If you skip the application form and to move the next page, this home page will give you a pop-up to continue the application. And admission form on the website immediately inform the user of misfilled fields. Active menu items are responsive. Loading of videos and progress bar is given. For example, if the video is loading, this progress bar will be appear. No requirements of password strength for login. No confirmation message appear if you leave any page, any other page if you skip. This is another example to elaborate the visibility of the system status. For example, if you move to another page, from any page you can go back to the home page as the menu option is given over here, and the latest updates are given to the user. It's mean if the user is scrolling through one page to other, he can get the latest information, so visibility of the system is there. Here we have another example of the website page. If you log in on the page, you enter your phone number and password, it will give you a notification registered and login successfully. So this is also the part of the visibility of the system status. This one is the second part, match between system and the real world. Here I have illustrated some points for the website. Icon, folders and tabs. No icons or folders are available. There must be icons along menu for better understanding. Cropping tool behavior. No, this function is not available in the website. Text. The language on the website is user friendly and understandable. Categories naming. All the categories are well named, but the drop down menu is not given with all categories. User control and freedom. Create, reread, cut or delete, undo. These are not available for the user. This is verified at the admin end. Search. There is no search bar except in the e-library. You can search your books. Other than this, there is no search bar available on the website. Here we have consistency and standards. No consistency maintained in this website because the website uses multi-colors in single tab and different tabs as well. There is no underline hyperlinks option. Updates are available on the website, but the use of color for the text and the pages is not in a good harmony. So that doesn't give a consistency to this website. Error prevention, confirmation message, autofill, autocomplete, auto suggest, these are not in this website. No interactive element buttons are there. Few broken links give suggestions. I will show you these. As I have shared these pictures earlier, these are some broken links, but this is a new one that suggestions for the broken link is available if you are a student or researcher, so you can check your library reference desk or helplines for instruction on connectivity remotely to the pull request. This kind of suggestion is given for the user or the student or the staff if someone gets stuck in any kind of broken link. Recognition rather than recall. Hurdles. No hurdle at the user end. A user can smoothly search out all the information, log in and register, or can get the course details. Hybrid breadcrumbs are there. Site is having this feature. One page to the further pages we can move. Font drop list preview. This site don't have font drop list preview. This is an example of the USA University of South Asia website. Let's suppose if I if I click on this work with USA, then this page is open positions, and if I want to go back to the menu, I can go from here, and if you want to apply here, the new pages for the apply that is linked to the other sites will open, and even from that page you can go back to the home page. Now this is flexibility and efficiency of use. No shortcuts are available in the website. Login page is available. The site don't have search bar option. Login page is given in the two different pages that I will show you. Now look at this. If you want to log in as a student, you can log in from this portal option. You can enter your roll number, email or phone, or login. You can log in. There are a number of options. You can enter with your phone number, you can enter with your roll number, you can enter with your email. So this is also in the part of the flexibility and the login in your account. If you want to log in the staff interface, if you are a student, both options are there in e-library option. So this is an effective way to log in the website. Aesthetics and minimalist design. The website design is not pleasant or attractive. There are a lot of graphical errors. You can see this is the home page. The color combination is not pleasant, but some pages gives good look. Like this is the picture of the page that giving us the information about all the departments of computer science and management science and humanity and social science. So no icons are available on the menu bar. This is the menu bar and there are no icons. If someone is not easily read these menus, so there is no helping icon so that he can get the concept what is this is admission, this is alumni. If anybody don't know what is alumni, there is no icon to explain that. The text is not in proper symmetry but easily readable. Now here we have example of statistics. This picture is explaining the BSE program structure, admission, duration, entry terms, and etc. That is giving a pleasant look. The color combinations are very nice. But look at this. This is basically the home page that is giving a multicolor on a single tap, and then look at the text. Text is easily readable, but there is no symmetry of bold text and italic text. What is the symmetry of the text? That is not predefined on the website. Help users recognize, diagnose and recover from errors. There is no help users recognize, diagnose and recover from errors options is available. Some broken links, few have suggestions to the students and researchers. If the password, even if the password is forget, the site has no option. For example, this is login and password, and this is a picture of the page when you forget the password, and this is the suggestion that is given by the site. If you don't have a password yet, stop by the circulation desk. The next time you are in the library, we will happily set one up for you, but how they will set, there is no suggestion. how are they gonna set that password? They please contact a library staff member if you continue to have a problem. This is basically an issue that if someone forget the password, there is no recovery option. Help and documentation. There is help option available for users in form of chat box. If someone, a new person visiting the website, there is option for that. If that person finds some difficulty, the chat box appear in form of a pop-up. User can also get help from given map or from contact details that I will show you the pictures of that. So this is the last one. Basically, these pictures are describing how a person can contact with anyone if he wants to contact any person, any campus, to any dean, any faculty. Details are given. And if you are new to the website, this pop-up message will show to you here the written welcome to our site. If you need any help, simply reply to the message. We are online to ready to help. So if you reply to the message, they will help you. They will give you query. That is very plus point of the website. And we have discussed the 10 points of heuristic evaluation to evaluate the website.
Now I have done some changings in the website based on the heuristic evaluation. This is the interface of the website that I have redesigned. In this I have made some changes. For example, there was no search bar given in the website homepage, but I have shown here a search bar, and I have just designed this whole page with suitable colors and suitable font size, and even the details are given limited. And I have shown here the buttons for further details. If you want to click on the buttons, then there should be another page displayed that is given in the original website. I have write down here no change because there is no change. As well as there was too many videos on the home page, I have redesigned it and I have put here just a vice chancellor message, and the query box is already there, that is already given in the real website. This admission button is working, and there is a latest update according to the university. Now all these modules were according to the website. There is no change in these modules. The in which module I have made changes. The first of all, this is the whole page. I have made changes here, and the color and the font size and the content is given. The second one is the working of e-library. If I click on that, now if I work on start from the e-library, if I click on e-library, this is the page that I have redesigned. I basically redesign the content and the way of all the items available on the page. For example, the latest updates was too much login detail, and the basic the image was not given appropriate on the page. So I have redesigned this page, and I have fixed the image according to the size and the text. And there was so many sliders of the text given in the page that was not giving a very consistency of the page. So that's why I have redesigned it. So here I have put a button of home page. So I have put here home button. From this home button you can go back to directly to the home page. I will click on this home page like this. Now this is the home page. Next one that I have added, that is work with USA. In the original there was lot of content given on one page. I have segregated the content into different segments like department, projects, hiring process, pay packages, jobs, and FAQ. I have divided these details into different sub pages. So if you will click on projects, there will be new page. From this page you can go back, you can go to the home page, and from the pay packages, hiring process, this is the hiring process of the page. In this way I have designed all the sub pages. From this you can go back to the department page, projects, and back to the home page. Now another page that I have redesigned, that is apply now. If you want to click on admissions, this will page open. In this page there are a number of details given. You can click on the Facebook, Insta, Google, and on also you can submit. When you will submit this, there will be a confirmation message appear, thank you for the submission. And from this page you can go back to again the home page. These are the some changes that I have made in the website. The rest of the details are also given. There is no change. I have shown the page. This is no change page. This is the application form where I will click the submit button and this page will be shown to me. The next one, if you will click on the academics, this will appear to you. These are the pages that I have redesigned. And when you will click on go back button, there will be a message appear, do you want to leave the page, yes or no. If yes, it will stay, it will go back to the home page. And if you will say no, like if you will move to the e-library and if you click on the back button like this one, no, then you will stay on the same page. And if you will click yes, then you will move to the home page. This is another page that I have redesigned. From this page you can also go back to the home page, and on the different pages, if you will click on academics, there will be detail will be shown to you. The response that done on my heuristic evaluation by Saida, roll number 34, is use of icons with navigation bar should be there. Password strength should be mentioned. They should be animated. Slider on library page. She has done some change. She had recommended me that these two pages, these changing should be there. So I accept that. She has write down another objection, that is no back button is added to go back. So this is a justification that because back button is already added where it is required, and I do not redesign these pages. This website usually has a single page output on a single click instead of registration for a process. Basically I have put back button option on the home page. When you click home, you will go back to the home page, and there is also on the library page back button. When you will press on that back button, the message will be appear, do you want to leave the page or do you not want to leave the page. And on the rest of the pages there are modules are given. So from on which pages I consider the changing should be there, I have made. So this is all from my side. Now I have done my level best to improve the existing interface of the website. I have made a prototype that was a very new challenge for me. I have done my best according to my knowledge to make this website more convenient and flexible for the use. Thank you so much.